Part C, after how many months will the total value of the membership fees first exceed $50,000? There's a couple of different ways of doing this. What I would probably do is create a general rule for myself. So I would come over here to my calculator. I'm going to go menu 3.1 to solve. I'm going to put in my initial value, which was 4,000. Then I will times it by my R value, which is 1.45, and then raise that to the power of X. Or to put it another way, we could raise it to the power of N, and that's going to represent the amount of months. Then I'm going to set that equal to 50,000. 1, 2, 1, 2. Then I'm going to solve it for N. So I'm saying, after how many months am I going to hit $50,000? And it's going to be 6.7. So that's when I hit $50,000. Now it wants us to first exceed. It wants us to exceed $50,000. So that means our answer will be 7. Because when you have 7 there, you're going to exceed it. And we can show this by, like, if I come here, if I did 6, see how I'm not over 50,000? I'm at 37. But if I hit 7 there, now I'm over $50,000. So that's why we know the answer is 7. And sure enough, if we look at our examiner's report, the answer is 7. The other way to go about this is, instead of using a general rule, you could instead do this. You could go 4,000, 1, 2, 3, hit enter, and then hit times 1.45. And then you could go, all right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Once you get to 7, you're over 50,000. So you could do it that way as well. But then you run the risk of, like, you might not count correctly or things like that. I feel that the way I've shown first is maybe a bit more secure, but the other way is just as legitimate and you might find it a bit easier to understand. All right, there you go.